Here I am near Sevenoaks, and just pulled up to go to the shop, and there's Conkers everywhere. Look at this. This is like Conker Paradise. Aren't they amazing? I mean, just look at that. Beautiful. It's amazing. Nature amazes me sometimes. I can hear them dropping as I speak. Look at this one. Bit out of focus, there we go. I just love, I mean, look at the shine. It's like the walnut trim you get in a car, like a Jaguar or something like that. It's just beautiful. Nature is amazing sometimes. Conkers!